friend. Welcome to my channel. I am Tish. I am a wife, mom, leader over 40, navigating life, career, and purpose. Here on my channel, I'm having to bend down because you're not on an iPad. I share vlogs, lifestyle content, real, everyday happening. I don't have time to give you the fluff, so I give you the real. I love to share outfits of the day, only to inspire you to get up and get dressed every single day because you don't know what opportunity awaits you. And then sometimes we just sit down and we talk to one another. I am currently on a self-challenge of creating 100 videos to YouTube in 100 days or for 100 days. And I started this challenge January 1, and we are well over half of the challenge. Oh wow. Big accomplishment. Even halfway through this challenge, that is so rewarding to me because I was one that once struggled creating a vlog for a week. So, major accomplishment. So hopefully on my channel, you can take something away from it to suit your own journey and push yourself so that you can be proud of your very own progress. I am getting ready to, first off, let me say, it is so pretty in my neck of the woods. I saw a neighbor walking and she looked so cute. Okay, squirrel. 'Tis the season to where my body is letting me know that within the next week or so, it's gonna go through some changes. If you're a woman and you're watching this, if you're in your 40s and beyond, you understand what I'm talking about, right? So my mind is everywhere, and I'm not ashamed to get on camera and let you know that these things happen. So I am gonna run a few errands today. I will go and read to some students at the Boys and Girls Club later on today. And I hope I don't have food in my mouth. I also hope to take you there. And then today is the last day of early voting. And this evening, my husband is gonna go and hold his signs. He is running for a public office. I want to be able to go and support him while he does that. And then tomorrow, which will be Tuesday, is election day. So I hope when you see this, hopefully it's not in the evening, go vote. So right now I'm getting ready to run some errands. The day got away from me today. And I do know that when it gets like this, yeah, my body is shifting. I don't know what type of hormones are being produced, but I just don't feel like I am on my A game. So much, I had a great weekend, busy weekend. I now have a sick kid because it's springtime. Now that I don't even know if pollen is dropping, I don't know, but I feel it. And I have to make sure that I have my allergy meds on deck. It's real. Scattered brain and all. You're coming with me. I have to take this coat. My mom and I got our names monogrammed in a coat. It's an heirloom item. And then I need to take some bills to her, or mail, not bills. But I wanted to be comfortable today. I didn't know what I was gonna wear. That's how I know. Yeah, girl, brace yourself. But I am wearing this blue button-down dress. This is from Target, maybe 3 years ago. I absolutely love it. I wear it all spring, all summer. Sometimes going into fall, I will pair it with some boots and a jacket. But I threw on this light cream polo sweater. It's very light. It's not a thick sweater at all, but I threw it over my shoulders. And I have these, I hope that you can see them, my metallic gold ballet flats, like a point shoe. Look at that. I hope you can see it, but I love these. I had to throw it on today. So I need to take these items to my mom. My youngest is going to want lunch. I'm not writing a list just yet. sticking close to my email because I missed an important email last week. Y'all, when we get like this, we can bounce back, okay? So I'll have my phone with me so that I don't miss any more emails. Running errands, gonna go get my car washed, may get gas, food, and I'm gonna come back here. Time to go and read to the kids. Come on. And y'all, by the way, all of the errands had been ran and all of the things. I, of course, went to Walmart. That's what I do on Mondays. I'm in Southeast Arkansas. We are limited in our things, so we make Walmart a trip. But I am in love with their free assembly, Time and True, and Scoop finds, and I'll show you what I got from there later on. I just finished reading to a wonderful group of students. Let me say that. Let me start off by saying that. I love the littles because their minds are sharp and very inquisitive. Whew, but they got energy, and the energy is high level energy, and they're going to tell you what they think, how they feel, what they need to know. They're going to say it. And when you have more than two in a room that has that same level of energy and they're inquisitive, honey. But all in all, I enjoy doing it. I am no means a secondary teacher. Would specialize in it because it's just not my calling. But my hat is off to those who take care of this age group, because it's vital. I like that you prepare them, send them on to college, and then let me hold on to them for a little bit to get them into the workforce. I mean, that's my calling. All right, I am headed over to the courthouse to see if my husband is there. I'll stand out there with him for a while to hold signs because it's time to vote.